Okay, hello. This is 3-6. We're on a separate sheet of paper. It says fill in the unit box. Solve using base 10 blocks. Be ready to show and explain what you did. So fill in the units. What are we measuring? You don't have base 10 blocks, but we can definitely solve this. So go ahead and do 71 minus or take away 46. Set it up on top of each other. We have to. That will help us. You solve this on your own, and then I'll walk through it with base 10 blocks with you. So go ahead, put me on pause. Solve this how you normally would, right? We start in the ones, 1 take away 6. Can we do that? Then we go to our tens place. Put me on pause. Come back when you have an answer. All right, you should have an answer to this by now. We will use our base 10 blocks. So we have 71 take away 46. That means I'm going to start with my biggest number, 71. Remember, these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes in them. So these are 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why do we have 7? Well, 7 times 10, if I count 10 7 times, I have 70. And then I have one more cube to make 71. Now we're going to need to take away 46. So first I start in my ones place. Can I do 1 take away 6? If I have one cube here, can I take away 6? No, I can't. I can only take away 1. So what we have to do is we need more. So we go to our neighbor next door and we say, can we take 1 from you? If this is a 0, I can't take any. But since I have 7 10s, yes, I can take a 10 away. So I'm going to go ahead and take a 10 stick. I'm going to borrow 1. I'm going to, actually, I'll move this over a little bit. Boom. I cut it into pieces. And I did not mean for it to be over my numbers. That just took the 10 stick and it broke it into 10 ones. So if I took a 10 away. Now there's only how many sticks left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took 1 10 away. And I put 10 into my ones. That means I have to do 10 plus 1, which is 11. Can I do that now? 11 take away 6. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11 take away 6 is indeed 5. Good. Oops, it's not right in. Okay. Now I have 6 take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And really I'm taking away 40 because this is in my tens place. How many do I have left? I have 20 left, which means I have 6 take away 4 is 2. My answer is 25. Awesome. When you have this written or you fix your answers, meet me at journal page 75.